It's a 1941 Dodge WF32. It was originally a flatbed, so I wanted to keep the flatbed look. This is sitting on a 1992 Dodge Dakota extended cab. So it's all basically stock Dakota underside, engine, everything. The only thing I needed to do was move the engine back a little bit, and then I had adapters made so I could go from the 6-lug Dakota wheels to 8-lug dualies. Basically, the way we say it is the rust is fake, but the dents are real. So wanted to keep all that, and that's pretty much it. Well, originally we bought it in Connecticut, and then moved down to Georgia. We were there for 5 years. That's where I got it running, and then we moved here about a year ago, down at Fremont. So, and
Thanks so much.
There you go.